Welcome everyone, this is a really quick unboxing video of the Garmin Venu Sq. As you know, if you follow my channel, I don't want to waste your time, so let's get started. Taking it out of the box, we see that the presentation of the Venu Sq is very minimalistic and functional. The charger does not attach magnetically, but you really need to click it into the watch. The SQ part in the name stands for square, since this is basically the square version of the round Venu released last year. The Venu Sq comes in at €200 or $200, making it about $100 or euros cheaper than the normal Venu. The major change in the Venu Sq is that it cannot count the number of flights of stairs you climbed, because it lacks a gyroscope and barometric altimeter, though it can partially compensate with GPS. When setting up the device, you have to search through the list of watches that is available at Garmin, and I found it quite funny to see that they even have a Marvel line of watches. You have to use the Garmin Connect app to pair the watch with your phone. Similar to other Garmin watches, the Venu Sq measures things like your pulse ox, your stress level, your respiration rate, body battery, and of course your heart rate. It can also track your sleep stages, and there's also an always on function for the display. In my videos, I do scientific tests on different devices like the Oura Ring, the Fitbit and the Scanwatch. And in the next few weeks, I'll start extensively testing the Garmin Venu Sq. So if you like that subject and like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. For now, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.